Welcome to ACC 100. I'm Georgia Clark. I'm going to be your accounting professor. Just to tell you a little bit about me, I've been a CPA since 2010. I've worked for PricewaterhouseCoopers, which is a Big Four accounting firm. I work at MassMutual. I did accounting policy previously. Now I'm actually in financial planning and analysis, which is more in line with what you'll learn in ACC 101. I wanted to start off this week by just getting you guys to make sure that everyone is all signed up appropriately into my accounting lab. Please read the announcement that I posted regarding signing up for my accounting lab. I am still getting a few questions on that. Remember, you have to sign up for my accounting lab through Canvas. If you do not sign up through Canvas, you won't have access to the homework assignments. Once you sign up for my accounting lab through Canvas, this comes with eText. So if you want to purchase a book, that's your decision. If you are going to purchase a book, I would recommend getting a used copy or older edition because it will pretty much be similar and you probably want to save some money. But just remember, with your purchase of my accounting lab through Canvas, that you will get access to eText. I also want to let you know that when you are doing the homework through Canvas and you go to the homework, you have 3 chances on each question. If you get 75% or above on the homework, you do not have to do the quizzes and the study plan. I would still try to use the study plan because the study plan will help you, but you do not have to pass anything in the study plan in order to get to the homework or to get to the quizzes if you get 75% or above on the homework. Before you attempt the homework, I would ask that you read through the book first. Read through, see the examples. It provides pretty clear examples of how to do things. So I would read through first. And if you go to the homework and you're still struggling after looking through the book, please email me, contact me, ask for help. That is no problem. I've actually taught this class. This is probably about my 4th or 5th time teaching this class, so please ask any questions that you like. One more thing, an administrator will be downloading the grades from Pearson's Mondays and Thursdays. So if you happen to not finish a homework assignment and you see a grade in there, do not worry. It's just because every Monday and Thursday they're downloading the grades. So whatever is the latest grade you have in there, that is what will be downloaded. Please don't worry if you see like a 10 and you're like, I didn't get a chance to finish the question. You will have plenty of time to go back and finish the question. However, please remember that we have to follow BayPass policy on late assignments. Please turn in your assignments on time because we want to comply with all the BayPass policies. Complete your discussions on time. The discussions are important that you at least post your first response by Thursday and then do 2 more responses by Saturday. So hopefully that is clear for everyone, so we know by tomorrow, Thursday, that the first discussion has to be posted too. The discussion question is, explain the importance of accounting to users of the accounting information. Discuss the rules that govern accounting. Analyze the accounting equation. Assets, liabilities, equity, business transactions, and financial statements. Assess accounts in relation to the accounting equation. What is the definition of debit, credit, and normal account balance? Also discuss the preparation of journal entries, ledger entries, the trial balance, and financial statements. So that will be the first topic that we have to go through. We're also going to be, you have to read through chapter 1 and chapter 2. I look forward to the discussions. This should be a wonderful time. I actually love the accounting equations: assets equals liabilities plus owner's equity. Said another way, assets minus liabilities equals owner's equity. Hopefully everyone realized assets is all the, what we call all the good stuff in the business, right? So it's your cash, any furniture, fixtures, the land you own, all, all the good stuff. Liabilities, we like to joke and say all the bad stuff. It's like, oh, I have to pay people because they've worked for me. So these are liabilities that I owe. I bought products, I have to pay for them. Those are the kind of liabilities that we're talking about. Once we take those assets and we take away all the liabilities, the stuff that we own to people, then guess what? There's owner's equity. Owner's equity is what we have left over for those that own the business. Another important thing to really understand and know is just like debits and credits. A lot of times people get confused about like what's the normal balance of certain items. And it's not necessarily intuitive. I know most people believe, probably on a balance sheet basis, it seems to be more intuitive because you're like, okay, I have cash, that's an asset, that's a debit. So all those assets, those good things, those are debits, and the liabilities are credits. Then when you actually go over to the income statement, everyone, assets, liabilities, that was the balance sheets. Now we're going over to the income statement. The income statement revenues are actually credits, which seems counterintuitive, but it's a credit balance, and expenses are debit balance. Make sure that that's one of the most important things. Just have that in your mind when you're thinking about this. I look forward to your class. Make sure you ask me any questions that you have, and I'm just going to enjoy this class so much, and I hope you guys enjoy accounting as much as I do. Thanks, everyone.